Running from the morning, think I hit a wall. Late nights, not you. Running from the moment, so I don't recall. Late nights, not you. Waking up in a cold sweat, someone else in this cold bed. I do anything to not be alone, all alone with the sea.
Yeah, we just got to Utah, and it was a long flight. It was a whole hour and 40 minutes. Longest flight you could ever be on.
Yeah, I mean that's the longest flight I've ever been on.
So yeah, here we go.
The reason I say that.
I think she's skipping.
Did you say there's Thanksgiving?
We're gonna have the bet. Oh my god, that's so pleasing. Okay, wait, go back, come here.
I want to get on.
Nothing to see. Nothing to see here. There's nothing to see here. Where are you going?
Drowning in my coffee, wash the alcohol out my bloodstream. Sitting here, I wonder if we hadn't been at all. Who would?
Let's go. Okay, wait. Two cars. We hear two cars.
I met a superhero, I lost her, I want her back. She did things to me that no one else could. I miss that.
I'm loopy.
Oh, don't wanna talk about it. Oh, what's so wrong about it? Oh, can't do a thing about it now. 'Cause they say if you ever let her go.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I'd stay for a long time. 'Cause I like me better when I'm with you.
That one customer
Run,
Angelo.
Forrest, run.